Imagine this for a moment. You're standing in your kitchen looking at that simple white powder we all know so well, baking soda. You've probably used it to bake a cake or to clean your sink, right? But what if I told you that inside that little box hides one of the most powerful natural remedies ever discovered? What if I told you that this everyday kitchen ingredient has the potential to ease pain, heal your body, fight infections, and even boost your energy levels in ways you never imagined? Stay with me until the very end of this video because I'm going to share with you surprising and life-changing ways to use baking soda for your health. And before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up because what you're about to learn might be exactly what someone in your family needs today. Now let's start with something almost everyone has suffered from. Mouth ulcers, those painful little sores that make eating and even speaking uncomfortable. Baking soda works like a hero here. Its alkaline properties help neutralize the acids in your mouth, reducing irritation, while its antibacterial effects speed up healing. In fact, studies have shown that rinsing with a baking soda solution 3 times a day can reduce the frequency and pain of ulcers in up to 70% of patients. Imagine the relief of finally being able to eat and talk without that stabbing discomfort. And here's a tip. Mix baking soda with a little water to make a paste, apply it directly to the sore, or simply use it as a mouth rinse. Even children can benefit from this simple remedy. If you've ever watched your little one struggle with an ulcer, you know how precious this relief can be. Don't forget to share this video with someone who suffers from these painful episodes, because this knowledge could make their life so much easier. But baking soda's power goes much deeper than oral health. Let's talk about something far more serious: arthritis and inflammation. Chronic joint pain can rob you of your joy, your mobility, and your independence. But research published in 2018 revealed something remarkable. Drinking a solution of water with baking soda can actually shift your immune system into an anti-inflammatory state. How does it work? Scientists found that baking soda influences immune cells called macrophages, which normally trigger inflammation. Instead, baking soda helps calm them down, reducing the swelling and stiffness that make arthritis so debilitating. Just think about that. A simple, inexpensive powder could support your body in fighting inflammation at its root. Now, I'm not saying you should throw away your medications, but imagine how incredible it is to have a natural ally like this right in your kitchen. And if you haven't yet subscribed, this is the perfect moment, because we're only halfway through, and the next uses might surprise you even more. One of the most fascinating effects of baking soda lies in its ability to protect your kidneys. Kidney disease is a silent condition that can worsen over time, sometimes leading to dialysis or even kidney failure. But research shows that taking baking soda regularly may slow down or even prevent the progression of chronic kidney disease. In a 2-year study, patients who took daily baking soda supplements reduced their risk of kidney decline by 36%. That is a life-changing number. The explanation lies in baking soda's ability to neutralize acid in the body, easing the burden on your kidneys. For those already dealing with kidney issues, this can be a vital tool alongside medical treatment. Just imagine. Something so simple, so affordable, helping protect such vital organs. Isn't that worth keeping in mind? Of course, one of the most well-known uses of baking soda is for heartburn and acid reflux. That burning pain in your chest, that constant discomfort after meals, it can feel unbearable. Baking soda works instantly to neutralize excess stomach acid. When mixed with water and swallowed, it reacts with stomach acid to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide, which often relieves pressure and eases discomfort almost immediately. But here's an important warning. While this remedy is highly effective for occasional heartburn, it should not be used excessively or as a permanent solution. Too much baking soda can cause imbalances in the body and may not be suitable for people with high blood pressure or heart problems because of its sodium content. Still, isn't it amazing to know that instead of rushing to the pharmacy, you can find fast relief right at home? If you're finding this helpful so far, leave a comment below and tell me, have you ever used baking soda for heartburn? I'd love to hear your story. Now let's move to the skin, because baking soda isn't just about what happens inside the body. Dry, irritated, or cracked skin can be painful and frustrating. By mixing baking soda with coconut oil or sunflower oil, you create a soothing paste that calms irritation, reduces redness, and softens rough skin. It works wonders on cracked heels or eczema patches, gently exfoliating dead skin while restoring comfort. Imagine finally being able to walk without that sharp pain in your heels, or seeing your skin glow with health after trying countless products with no success. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the ones that truly work. And speaking of skin and self-care, baking soda is also an incredible natural exfoliant. Mix it with a little water and your favorite body oil, and you'll have a scrub that leaves your skin smooth, fresh, and radiant. Unlike harsh chemical exfoliants, this natural remedy is gentle, safe, and affordable. Isn't it incredible how one ingredient can care for your body in so many ways? But we're not done yet. Let's talk about performance and energy. Have you ever felt exhausted after intense exercise when your muscles burn and you just can't push any further? That burn comes from lactic acid building up in your muscles. Baking soda, because of its alkalizing nature, helps neutralize that acid, delaying fatigue and boosting endurance. In fact, studies have shown that athletes who consumed baking soda before high-intensity workouts were able to train longer and harder. Think about it. Whether you're an athlete or just someone who enjoys staying active, this simple powder could give you the stamina to go further than ever before. And finally, let's address a very common and frustrating issue: urinary tract infections. Pain, burning, constant trips to the bathroom. UTIs are not only uncomfortable, they can also be dangerous if left untreated. Baking soda, when consumed in water, can help alkalize your urine, creating an environment less favorable for bacteria to thrive. Of course, this is not a replacement for antibiotics, but it can be an excellent complementary remedy, making it harder for infections to come back again and again. Just picture yourself free from that constant cycle of discomfort, finally able to live your life without that shadow hanging over you. So what have we learned today? This humble kitchen ingredient, baking soda, is far more than a baking aid. It can soothe ulcers, reduce inflammation, protect your kidneys, relieve heartburn, heal the skin, boost your workout performance, and even support your urinary health. Of course, it should always be used with care and in moderation, especially when consumed. But knowing how powerful it can be, isn't it amazing to realize that true healing can sometimes be found in the simplest of places? Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends and family. You never know who might need this knowledge today. Drop a like if you found these remedies helpful and tell me in the comments, how do you use baking soda in your home? I'd love to hear your experiences. Remember, the answers to many of our health struggles are often closer than we think. Thank you for watching, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.